So that is Matt. Oh, just there. So he's literally not far off the top. But that is not for me, not in a million years. I feel queasy just looking up and seeing him up there.
Right, I'm the 3rd level up now, so quite a way up already. I've got 1 more, I think, or no, 2 more to the top. It's already windy, cold, and a long way down. I'm hoping you can hear me. I wish I'd brought the GoPro, but obviously I haven't. Andy definitely couldn't have come up here. He was contemplating. I'm glad he didn't, because it is high, very high. Now look at this. I've just found a nest full of baby, what I think must be crows. Don't want to get too close. I am quite a long way away from them. Look. Just sat shouting at me, looking quite menacing, to be fair. I'm not going to show you all the way down yet until I get to the top.